Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we backtrack a little bit to the eastern city limits of Hallettsville, Texas, in Lavaca County. We head west on Highway 90 alternate into town. After a brief stop for drinks at a Shell station, we continue and pass through the junction of US-90 alternate and US Highway 77. Here, US-77 south becomes concurrent with US-90 alternate west for a short distance through town. US-77 runs from Sioux City, Iowa, south over 1,300 miles to the Mexican border at Brownsville, Texas. Here, US-77 turns south, but a new route begins. Here, US-77 alternate joins US-90 alternate to form a rare concurrency of alternate US highways. Interesting. As we leave the city of Hallettsville, the highway name changes to Sheriff Ronnie Dodds Memorial Highway. On September 28th of 1969, Sheriff Dodds and his chief deputy were shot and killed while transporting two juvenile prisoners from Shiner to Hallettsville. During the transport, one of the prisoners was able to gain control of Sheriff Dodds' service revolver and shot both officers. Sheriff Dodds was killed instantly, and Chief Deputy Jakobic succumbed to his wounds 2 weeks later. The triggerman was sentenced to death, but had his sentence commuted to life in prison. Why? This section of highway was dedicated to the late Sheriff Dodds in October of 2017. Here, US-77 alternate departs to the south. On the left is the Crossroads Drive-In Theater, which seems to be out of business, although this seems to be a fairly recent development. There is still a website up for the theater, but the telephone goes unanswered. We enter the city of Shiner, which has an estimated population of 2,137. In 1885, a post office called Half Moon was opened at a trading post near the present site of Shiner. In 1887, Henry B. Shiner donated 250 acres for a depot and right-of-way for the San Antonio and Aransas Pass Railway, which bypassed Half Moon and was built through Henry B. Shiner's donated land, and the town grew around these transportation facilities. The town initially called itself New Half Moon, but in 1888, the town's name was changed to Shiner, and the town was incorporated in 1890. Czech and German immigrants soon became the dominant ethnic groups, and Shiner developed a cohesive Czech community that still heavily influences the town's culture. Ranching was an important part of the town's history. Shiner is the home of the Spetzel Brewery, the oldest independent brewery in Texas. The brewery is most well known for producing Shiner Bock, a dark German Czech-style beer that is now distributed in 49 states. What state isn't it in? It's really good. It's dark, nutty, has a really thick head that you can float a quarter on. We conclude today's video at the western edge of Shiner. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.